Hello students, today we will do a C program to print your name and your mother's name in two different lines but using single printf. So this is the question you can see. Number 4, number B, write and execute a C program to print your name and your mother's name in two different lines but using a single printf. So this question we have to do today and we will do the practical of C. So let's open a software for doing this program. I have code blocks here, you can see. You can use any other software like Turbo C++, but I'm using here code blocks. So double click on the code blocks icon. You can see code blocks is open. Here down of the file option, you can see here that there is an option new file. You can see, just click here this button, then you click on file, then this dialog box is opened. In this dialog box you can see C++ source. Just click here, click on go. Here you have two options, C and C++. I have to do C program, that's why I'll be selecting C. Then click on next, give a path where you want to save. Just click on this button and you select a path. I'm going to save the file on the desktop, but it's not mandatory. You can use any of the location, any of the folder, whatever you want to use to save the file. So I'm going to save simply on the desktop. But remember, when you save many files on the desktop, it will be full on the desktop. You need to again move from the desktop to another place. But for doing this practical easily, I'm going to select desktop and I'm going to give a name. Our file is print my name and my mother's name, means print your name and your mother's name. So here I'm going to type my name and mother's name, and save as type, let it be C, and click on save. So I have saved the file. Then just finish, click on this finish button. Now you see here, this is the file name on the top. Okay, now we can do the main program. Our main program we need to do now. So let's type hash include angular bracket stdio.h, then start the main function, int main, bracket start, bracket close, enter, curly brace start. Use printf statement to print your name and your mother's name. Printf, bracket start, double quotation. Now you can write your name. My name is, so I'm going to type any name. Just for example, I'm going to type here Rohit Gupta. Rohit Gupta. Then after Rohit Gupta, you need to do one thing. You need to use escape sequence, means to give the line break, because the question is you need to print your name and your mother's name in two different lines. Means in the first lines your name will come and the next line your mother's name will come. So after your name you need to give a line break. You have to go to the new line after your name. So for that you need to use escape sequence. To escape sequence, there are different types of escape sequence, but here I'm going to use new line escape sequence. So to give the new line, you need to use backslash, then n. This will give a line break. Then you can write my mother's name is, simply I'm going to write here Sonali Sonali Gupta. Okay, so this is it. This is the main answer. Actually, our program main answer is this one. This printf, this gives my name in the first line, means your name in the first line, then a line break, then your mother's name. Okay, then after the statement, after closing the bracket, you need to give a semicolon. I gave the semicolon, then enter. After entering, you need to write return, leave a space and write 0, then give semicolon. This is it. This is the program. Now we need to run the program. Let's see the program. For running the program, you need to click on this run button, or you can simply press F9 on the keyboard. I'm going to click on this run button. Click on yes. Now you can see here, this is the output. My name is Rohit Gupta. My mother's name is Sonali Gupta. So this way you can print your name and your mother's name in C program. Hope you understood how to print your name and your mother's name or any two lines. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.